back to my world. In today's video, what are we doing? It is 10 o'clock at night and we're about to do a backdrop, which is gonna go on this wall because what do we need, Kanayla?
I don't know.
We have some different fabrics. You're gonna need a drill, a hot glue gun, and so let's just open this thing first. And this is just like a guess. We don't even know if this is what you're really supposed to do.
No, we're just winging it.
Like everything like there's this rod.
What's the other pieces?
At the bottom. So there's
Oh,
three.
you can make this thing long.
Screw these in. Oh my gosh.
Jesus Christ.
The screwdriver, and since we're doing it our way, we just gonna stick it up here. Don't try this at home. Yeah, it's good.
I think you made it a little too heavy. That's okay.
It's alright because I got 6 feet of fabric. Wait, yards? I don't know how many fabrics I got. I got 6 something feet of fabric.
Dang, Tiffany.
This is what we did. I'm gonna go. That's how far they have to go all the way into the wall.
It went in tight?
Yeah. It's not loose at all. Look how light it is. And it's just gonna be fabric on it. So we took it and we put 2 screws on both sides. And basically you're gonna place that in here. And that one will go all the way to that end. Just like that.
You want me to measure it? Wait, you come over here?
Yeah, you can.
What if I break this here?
Girl, how you gonna break it? But this is the hot glue gun. We just plugged it up.
Alright, so far she screwed that side in. Now we're having troubles screwing this side.
That's as good as it's gonna get. Obviously, we would need to iron this or not iron it, steam it or something good. I don't know which one I want to put up since those are all wrinkly. Should we just put like the glitter backdrop over one of the plain ones? I'm just gonna put a loop in the fabric at the top.
Better hurry before it melts.
It don't feel hot. Ooh, it do feel hot. So it'll just be like glued. Yeah, without like actually messing it up, it's just about.
Ooh, it got me.
Thumbtacks, push pins, whatever you want to call them,
Oh yeah.
and stuck it on the sides and the back, or at the top and the bottom, top or bottom, so it is for help it stay.
And there we go. A beautiful background. Ooh. I like big person. I cannot lie. Who is that? Yes.